What's 17 more years? I can always start again. Make another kid.
I finally got you! Now no one's gonna stop me!
Bro, there's no need to do that. Take an egg, champ. Ooh, an Easter egg. I love Easter egg. Boop, guess what? It's a bomb!
It's not a bomb, bro. If it was a bomb, you would be running.
Oh, shit!
No, get
Jimmy,
back
go
here.
Jimmy, you got your grenade!
I love you. What?
Mommy? What the fuck happened to you, fucking bitch?
Stop.
Oh my god. It's a laser gun. Oh yeah. Yo, that was mine, bro. I found this on the floor. What are you talking about? Hey, if you don't give that back, I'm gonna fight you to the Discord server.
Ooh, a piece of candy. 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 Ooh, a piece of candy.
Billy, we need to go find some food. It's starving out here, especially with all this snow. It's so cold out here, man.
I got my flashlight. I'm ready.
Yeah, let's go find some food. Alright, Billy, let's go. So cold out here.
In there?
Yep, we gotta go find some food. Go hunt some chickens. Go find whatever. Honestly,
But we
anything
don't
would
have
help.
weapons.
It's alright. It's okay, Billy.
Oh,
Don't go near that, Billy. That's not food. Okay.
oh, there's a storm.
Yeah, it's very, very snowy out here.
Whoa.
Billy, watch
What?
out, Billy.
What? What?
Jay, guess what?
Yeah, it's just here.
Jacob dead at 30!
Who the frick is that?
Guy from Animal Company?
No! Please tell me you're lying! Please!
Nah,
Tell me you're lying! Tell me you're lying! Tell me you're lying!
Okay, man, it's just a joke.
Please,
It's just a
please,
joke.
Please,
Trust
no,
us,
no,
it's just a joke.
What? I'm in the old map. I'm in the old version of the game. It has been 7 hours since the update, and I'm in the old map. What? Bro, how did it not make me update?
I think everyone is. Wait, someone follow me.
Wait, why did it not make me update though? Figured it would.
Wait,
Because it's not happening.
Lizard guy.
Umbrella.
Left controller, battery dead.
Like, bro, how am I still here? I know it still has servers as well.
Alright, this should make it easier to get over
Bro,
there.
what? It took 7 hours since the
It
update.
says here,
And I'm in here.
battery.
And
It says
why am I still here? It's been 7 hours since the update. I'm still in the old version.
He just wants money for drugs.
Bro, what?
Bro, what?
Wait, is there somebody on me? Oh yeah, there is.
Zombie. Hey guys,
Yup, and I have it.
this is the last little stuff. I'm not updating. Bro, that kid has a high pitched voice even with the deep voice of the broccoli. Heck, bro. Anyways, yeah, I don't know how I'm still here. It's been 7 hours since the update. I'm gonna make me the update.
This game, I like it.
I'm gonna miss this game. I am taking the update.
Simon didn't say that. I go into haunted mine. Also come to a haunted mansion. I say that.
and it
But I don't
all
like
comes crashing
haunted mansions.
down.
So I'm gonna kill you! What? You
I'm
want,
not gonna
you wanna
update
go
my
in the
game.
office
I'm gonna
with
stay
me?
in here. There's no PvP. No PvP, dumbass.
I do. Okay, then. Okay.
So we can do stuff.
Yeah. I want to make one of my.
I'm probably gonna check out that new update, but I'm surprised you
I'm
still
too small for you.
Whoever wants to go to the office, go.
Alright, this is gonna be my last time in this map. I mean, I'm surprised this is still here. Well, I can still play.
Yo,
I'm gonna
whoever
update
wants
though.
to go to the office, go to where you want to buy stuff. Where's the new map?
This is my last time in this map. Cause I'm gonna update. I wanna check.
Whoever wants to go in the office, go.
Buy everything.
Yeah, who wants to know something?
Bye. Bye.
You.
Goodbye. Bye to this map.
Sure.
I'm updating. I'm gonna update. Goodbye to this map. Bye bye.
What do you mean you're gonna have a zombie meat?
This is not the actual normal update you're supposed to be in, bro.
Yeah, we don't.
What do you mean?
This is not the right update. What do you mean? This is not the right update. It's
Have
updated.
zombie meat.
The whole new map is here and everything.
What's
How
the
do you
new
not know this?
map?
Oh, have
How do you
zombie
guys not know this?
Yo, you wanna be friends? Yo, yellow.
Yeah,
Okay, that's crazy, Ray.
I'm gonna
Well, I'm missing time.
Does anybody know what the new map is?
update my game.
Anyways, I'm going to the new update. Bye bye to this Bobby. This
You need
map.
to update your game.
Yes.
Yeah,
How do you
maybe.
not know this? It was like one of the biggest updates yet. Alright,
Who wants to go in the office with me?
I'll go.
oh, they're actually playing the game.
Who will go?
Version.
Who
I need
will
to update
go?
my game too.
Like, bro,
Okay, you will?
do you guys not know there was a big
Where's that
big
to put
update
my backpack in? Wait, what's the
that
update?
changed the entire game?
Wait, is the new update in sewers?
Oh my god. Okay, goodbye.
I think they're just cosmetic. I will know the game. I am a hack.
Goodbye.
Come on, dude, I gotta get this. Come on. Come on, come on, come on! Dad? That's not good.
I'm not an OG. You shouldn't have let me in charge. You're the emperor.
Oh, that one's all good.